Hey guys. Oh gosh, apparently Kristen's screaming. But we're just waiting for my mom to get home so we can go to the mall. But I was also thinking about like how some people are just so stupid. We were at the fair the other night and it was with my two little sisters and they're 6 and 8, and then my cousin and she's like 3. And they're going to do this like little tractor pull thing, and you're done. So anyways, and I forgot what I was saying. Thanks, Kristen.
Tractor pull.
Yeah, they're doing the tractor pull, and this girl, she's like, probably like a junior or senior, and she comes up to me and she's like, "Are your children going into the tractor pull?" Sitting there thinking, those are not my children. Do I look like old enough to have 3 children? Yeah, apparently I look like an old lady. And then Kristen told me a story about how when she was at Lowe's, this lady thought that she was her dad's wife, which I think is hilarious.
No, it's awkward and not funny at all.
Because they look just alike, so it wouldn't really make any sense. Yep. So anyways, if you've ever had any experiences like this, please comment them below.
Bye guys!
Bye.